Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
We're at Boot Hill Museum, one of the most recognisable historic sites in Dodge City.
Would you believe I thought my career was over? I came from one of the best families in Boston. Sang opera in New York, all the best parts. Cosi, Figaro. Then, it was all ended. I came down with consumption. Packed up and headed out west to find some good air and regain my health and wound up in Dodge. And you know, I wouldn't live anywhere else. Cowboys out here, it's lonely for them. They ride into town looking for a taste of culture and a little fun and I get both. I sing when I suffer and so I'll go out and get food to feed my seat the ones who can't sing. Better not eat in the outhouse. A lot of enemies won't have much to do with me. But it turns out the roughest riders off the planet are the kindest ones. Still, I'm finding my place. Just recently, I got to sing in the church here. Yes, in a real church. And that's where I saw those ladies in the front row smile at us. My husband can see me. Except for you can do that out here. I'm trying not to let it go cat, but the man out here do not make it easy. It's really going on for me. James Kelly, the mayor. These are from him. He helped me get my start here. He's always treated me right, protected me. He actually threw a fellow out of a saloon once for getting too familiar with me. Frontiermen have real kindness. That's my cue. I hope you'll stay and hear me sing. Oh, and if you have time, stop by the Long Branch. The fellows there will have a story. Or 3.
The jail here was never designed for long-term imprisonment. It was small, basic, and intended for short stays. Most people who ended up inside were there overnight or for a few days at most. Law enforcement focused on controlling disruption rather than delivering punishment. Common arrests involved public drunkenness, fighting, gambling disputes, and disorderly behavior. Serious crimes were relatively rare. Most problems were social rather than violent. If someone caused trouble, they were removed from the street, sobered up, fined, and released. The goal was stability. Keeping businesses open and people working mattered more than harsh sentencing. The jail also played an important symbolic role. It represented authority in a town that was still forming its identity. Officers relied on consistency and reputation more than force. People obeyed rules because they knew enforcement existed, even if it was limited. Together, these buildings show how Dodge City learned to organize itself. They reflect trial and error, adaptation, and constant adjustment. This was not a town built for a master plan. It was a town built by peace, under pressure, by people trying to make a different place function. And this layout shows exactly how they did it.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.